National News Desk, Taylor Murray. The Trump administration continues its response to Minnesota's decade-long social services fraud scandal that may cost taxpayers $9 billion. The U.S. Agriculture Department announcing that it is freezing $129 million in food stamp funding from Minnesota, the Trump administration's latest hold on welfare funding to Democratic states.
We've got to look at states where there's massive amounts of fraud in the welfare population, in the welfare programs, and try to eliminate that fraud.
The Government Accountability Office estimates that the federal government loses up to $521 billion annually to fraud. Last week, Vice President J.D. Vance announcing a Justice Department task force to investigate fraud across the country.
Those programs should go to American citizens, not be defrauded by Somali immigrants and others. Make it hard for you to get the access to the resources you need. 98
have faced federal charges in Minnesota so far. The vast majority, 85, are part of the state's large Somali community. Republicans accuse the state's governor, Tim Walz, and other Democrats of overlooking the fraud for political reasons.
Because the Somali population is such a massive voting bloc for the Democrat Party in Minnesota, they've turned a blind eye.
Democrats say Republicans are unfairly targeting a minority community.
The fraud is very real, and by the way, when somebody commits fraud, you prosecute, and yeah, you put the person in jail. As an individual, you do not hold an entire community, any community, accountable for the actions of individuals.
A federal judge has temporarily blocked the Department of Health and Human Services from cutting off about $10 billion in federal funds for social services and child care for 5 Democratic-led states. Now, the agency says the move was necessary to crack down on fraud, but the states argue the administration's effort is unconstitutional. For the National News Desk, I'm Taylor Murray.